2 minus 3, and inside the parentheses 4 plus 5. So 2 minus 3 equals minus 1, right? And 4 plus 5. Now minus 1 and 4 plus 5, so minus 1 and 4 plus 5 equals 9. Now here is hidden multiply, so minus 1 times 9 equals minus 9. But this is wrong. Why? Because inside the parentheses first, right? And then multiplication must be done after parentheses. So my 2 minus 3 and inside the parentheses first, so 4 plus 5, so 9. Now here is multiply, so multiply first, so 3 times 9 equals 27, right? Now 2 minus 27 equals 25. Keep the negative sign.